Hey guys, it's David here. So I'm gonna go surf Doho. I'm gonna do something weird and wear this on my head because my board mount is not working like it should be. So I'm gonna wear this on my head and looking forward to a fun day of surfing. So yes, I just waxed my board. Board's right here. It looks really dirty. Probably got it all waxed up and it is ready to go.
Is there a tie to your wetsuit?
Huh?
There's no tie.
Nah, actually it's a good idea on my upper part though.
I'm gonna get my glasses back on and see if I can
That is a great idea.
that'd be $1,000.
David,
Yeah.
you getting any?
Not yet. I just got out, so I will.
Don't lose your camera though.
I know. I have before.
You got it tied down?
I do. Yeah. If these guys don't catch it, I'll ride this.